Happy Memorial Day. This is Memorial Day 2026, which is May 25th, Monday, May 25th. And this is a day where we honor all the fallen soldiers who died fighting for our country and providing us with what we have here. So, happy Memorial Day, everyone, and hope you enjoy your barbecues and your family days together and your lovely holiday. It's a beautiful day, but also keep in mind those who sacrifice their lives so that we can have lives. All right. Today, I am doing another suburb ride, Sioux Falls suburbs, here in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So this particular suburb is what I would refer to as upper middle class in Sioux Falls. So what you'll see in this neighborhood, really, in these neighborhoods that I'm running through, is probably homes that are as low as 500,000 and probably as high as 1.2 million. You're going to see some pretty beautiful homes out here. Very nice neighborhood. Makes for a great Memorial Day ride. It's about 84 degrees today, 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Doesn't feel that hot. It feels perfect, really. Oh, interesting. Some people actually work on Memorial Day, huh? Oh, this looks like a dead-end street. It has two cul-de-sacs. It's all right. Beautiful cul-de-sacs. Lovely homes. I really like this one with the red garage doors. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at that. That's a modern. I do like modern homes, somewhat. I prefer traditional, though. That was a beautiful house. I like traditional style and a contemporary design because I do want the modern conveniences. I don't want a house that's 100 years old, but I don't mind if it's 30 years old. That park right there is called Lions Centennial Park. It's pretty small, but it does have a nice little bike path that goes through it, and a lot of times you'll see kids over there playing soccer. Sometimes I go over to that park and I'll fly a kite. It's a nice kite flying park because it's just wide open, no trees. That's what you want. It's only about 4:30 p.m. right now, and I'm already starting to hear crickets, which is interesting. Going uphill. Well, let's make a right. See what we got over here. What kind of beautiful homes do we have over here in upper middle class Sioux Falls suburbia? Somebody getting some work done on their house. Huh. What a busy street. Oh wow, house is all black. It's kind of a greenish black. That's definitely not my style. A lot of modern styles are black. Eh, I don't mind a black house, but I do prefer some trim on it. How about a little bit of gray trim or something, or I don't know, just something to make the trim stand out. Don't want everything to be like a black house. Well, that thing would be hot in the summer, wouldn't it? Huh, going downhill now. Speaking of black houses, there's another one, but that one has trim color, see? It's a two-tone, love it. Oh wow, look at that one. Very nice. Yeah, a lot of these houses are gonna be in the 800 to the 1 million or more. What you don't see is the back of them. So a lot of these, the backyard is a big hill and with a big view. They're gorgeous. Look at this one on the end over here. How nice. Seems like everybody's got some work going on now. It looks like firewood delivery or something. Look at that. Beautiful home. Very beautiful. Yeah, this is the time of year that people get work done on their homes. You'll see all the siding jobs and window jobs and painting and all that. It's always in the spring. Let's take a look over here so you can see what the view is, if we can. You can't see it too much. Let's see. That's their backyard view. Very nice. All right, let's turn it around. All right. So for Memorial Day, typically here in the United States, we do big family barbecues, and kind of like the July 4th holiday in a way. Typically, it's a time where we all gather, we all have a holiday, we don't have to go to work. Most of us. It's a bummer if you work retail though, or restaurants, you don't really get a day off. But for most of us, we get a day off. We'll spend that day with our families and just have barbecue and some burgers and hot dogs. And just having a good time together. July 4th, you see a lot of flags out on people's homes. In South Dakota, you see a lot of flags anyways. It's usually 1 out of every 6 homes or so will have an American flag on it. Usually in July 4th, you'll see a lot of them. But Memorial Day, like today, I'm actually surprised. I was expecting to see a lot more of them out. So unusual that I am not seeing a bunch of them. And there's one to the right. Yesterday we had a really big storm come through. Big lightning storm, thunder, big wind and hail, all that good stuff. And I'm guessing that maybe a lot of people took theirs down before the storm hit and they didn't put them back up. Now, this is a nice spot right here. A lot of shade, a lot of shady trees. I like it. It's a beautiful colonial. You don't see colonials out here very often. There's a nice brick too. That brick house kind of reminds me of something you'd see in Texas. You don't see a lot of brick houses and you don't see a lot of colonials. So that white colonial and that red brick, pretty unusual. Very custom. Another thing you don't see a lot out here is stucco. I used to live out on the West Coast in California, and every place is stucco out there. Just about every place. Out here you'll see kind of a mix. You'll see a mix of brick and siding and stone, stuff like that. You see how this one on the right, it's another one that's kind of rare. It's rare to see houses that are just solid brick. But you know, I don't ride this upper class neighborhood very often. So it seems like that's what people like to do when they're building a custom home. And there's an English Tudor style. They always have really interesting roofs. Yeah, this neighborhood's interesting. I like it. I live about 10 minutes from here. Not too far. Driven through here a few times. But not with the ability to see the houses as well as I am right now. When you're on a bike, you can really see them. And I'm actually surprised at the colonials. There's another one. Huh. Very nice. Very nice. What kind of house would you build if you had all the money in the world and could build any style that you wanted and build anywhere? Well, I love Sioux Falls, so I think I would stay in Sioux Falls. I wouldn't go anywhere else. Don't really have a reason to. We have low taxes here. We have good people here. But, you know, as far as the house I would build, let's see if I can spot one while we're riding around. I'll see if I see a house where I say, that's probably what I would build. We'll see, we'll see. That one to the right is kind of nice. You can tell it's built in the 70s. Yeah. Oh, I like that one to the left. Very nice. Okay, another black house to the left. Huh. Well, let's see if this goes through. So that blue house that we're just now passing, I'm going to come back around. That blue house represents probably the kind of house that I would build if I build a custom house out here. Let's go look at that. I got to go back this way anyways. It's a dead end up there, I think. So you see that blue house up there to the right in front of me? I love that house. That's my style. It's contemporary, got some traditional look. I forget what they call those windows where you have the multi-panes. Very nice. Let's do a roundabout here. Nobody coming. All right. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you like this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe. It's really what I do is I post videos of me riding my bike around Sioux Falls or neighboring areas. Oh, this looks good. Oh, 49th Street. This is typically a busy street. I go across here, and here we go. Let's go this way. Get on the bike path. Sioux Falls has a lot of bike paths like this, which makes riding a bike around here very joyful, safe, or safer. Bike riding is never really safe. Nothing's safe, right? Riding your car is not safe. This is more of a main street. So that neighborhood we're in, I saw the sign right there. It says we're in the Tuthill Highlands. That was the name of that neighborhood. I'm gonna get back over, and there's no cars at all. I'm just gonna cut through the park up here. There's a fire station. Sioux Falls Fire. There we go. I love that the grass is growing all thick and nice now. The trees are all, they all have their dark green leaves, and some have their flowers. It's beautiful. So yeah, just cut through here. This park is really nice. This is that Lions Park that I was pointing out earlier. Well, I think we've hit our time, folks. I try to go about, 15, 20 minutes. Don't want to go too long. Oh, look at this. From the storm last night, a lot of stuff got washed out here I don't know where that all came from. Interesting, right? Strange. It must have flooded through here. There was definitely some flooding through here. Huh. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for wasting your time with me and enjoying the ride with me. You can look at some mallards. And till next time. Hey, mallards.